Bambu Lab A2L, Nozzle Unclogging Procedure. Safety warning. Always turn off the printer and disconnect it from the power source before performing any maintenance. Method 1. Heated extrusion. Increase the nozzle temperature to slightly above the filament's recommended printing temperature. For example, when using PLA, set the hot end temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Tap the extrude button on the screen to extrude the filament. The filament should extrude continuously in a straight line. If the nozzle still cannot extrude properly, proceed to method 2. Clearing the nozzle with an unclogging pin. Press the extruder idler lever once to release the filament pressure inside the nozzle. Increase the nozzle temperature to slightly above the filament's recommended printing temperature. Once the target temperature is reached, insert the unclogging pin into the nozzle opening and move it up and down several times to clear the blockage. Tap the extrude button on the screen to extrude the filament. The filament should extrude continuously in a straight line. Method 3. Cold pull. Go to Settings, then Maintenance, then Nozzle Cold Pull Maintenance on the screen, and follow the on-screen prompts. The procedure has 5 steps. Step 1. The tool head will automatically return to the start position. Wait for this to complete. Step 2. Press down on the black PTFE tube couplers and remove all PTFE tubes. Step 3. Now, insert the filament until it can no longer advance. You may notice a little steam or vapor during this step. This is normal. Step 4. The printer will automatically flush the filament and cool the nozzle. Wait for this to complete. Step 5. Slowly pull the filament out. You may need to repeat this more than once. If the tip of the filament is still dirty after pulling, repeat until it comes out clean. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.